I didn't know that I will feel this heavy. I will miss the late-night talks, the crowded canteens, the way the cherry blossoms fell every spring. But mostly, I will miss NPU, the place that turned strangers into family. But it all started 4 years ago when we first met each other. And this is our story.
Hi, my name is Livia. I am from Indonesia and I'm majoring in business administration.
Hello everyone, this is Nasir Al-Faqih from the Republic of Yemen. I'm from the School of Computer Science and Technology.
Hello, my name is Leonardo. I came from Indonesia and I'm studying artificial intelligence here in NPU.
Hello, my name is Paul. I'm from Nigeria. I'm majoring in aerospace engineering.
Hello, my name is Julia. I'm from Russia. My major is biotechnologies.
Hello, I'm Yasser Shair from Morocco and I'm electronic engineering and information student.
I'm Ergash Khurshid from Tajikistan. My major is international trade and economy.
Hi everyone, my name is Narada Amoriwat. My nickname is Prao. I'm from Thailand and my major is international economics and trade.
Hi everyone, my name is Hajar. I'm from Morocco and my major is aeronautics.
We were the first Russians who came back after the pandemic, so it was pretty weird to come to the campus when there is almost no one because everyone are studying online. And everyone who was here after pandemic, they were pretty depressed, but we were the only one who were like, wow, so fun, wow, we came to China finally, we were so excited and so on.
I remember the first day we came, we were 12 students, also all Moroccans, and we came on February. It was a cold night, we didn't have bed sheet, no pillow, nothing, we just slept on the bed directly. But when we sat with each other, we talked all night, it was a fun memory.
I arrived to the campus of NPU and I started integrating with the culture. I saw like new people, new culture. The whole environment was all new.
My first meal in the canteen, I have no idea what I ordered, but I remember people having a lot of fun around me.
I came in a post-COVID time, so that time we needed to stay in a quarantine, and in total I stayed like 1 month in quarantine. But the dream in my heart got me keep going.
I was quite afraid that I would be, first of all, alone and have no friends. And I was also afraid of because this is a new environment, I was afraid that I wasn't able to adapt well in the Chinese environment and also the studying environment in NPU. But overall, until now, I feel like everyone has been really great. I've met really good people around, really good friends. The teachers here are really supportive, and I just am very appreciative of that.
For me, the biggest struggle was getting sick here. It's the first time that you're away from family, but the positive thing is you find a lot of friends that can stay with you during your sickness, and that actually felt really good.
My favorite days are culture festivals and sport events like YYT Cup. My very favorite, the most favorite memory is about how we won the volleyball match against Chinese teams. It was the best feeling ever. I had never won anything with that much intention.
Some moments were small, but they stayed. Like late night conversations with my friends, playing badminton, watching movies, playing video games. Those were my favorite memories.
So in the last few years, I was actually living in Xi'an campus. And so every single day I had the chance to wake up to such a beautiful view. I was so grateful to be surrounded by greeneries, lakes that the campus have. And also something else is that every season you get to see different views, I would say. So you get different vibes depending on the season, so you never get bored.
In last YYT Olympic Games in NPU, me and my friend, I was trying going to tryouts in tennis, but we knocked out. We were kind of sad, but there was an opportunity to go to make our own team in rugby. We made our own rugby team with my friends. Even though we didn't get place top 3, something, but the memory, like we got trained together, we were getting ready for Olympic Games, is still in my memory.
I feel like the golden days of NPU is when I get to just study in NPU and interact with my fellow classmates, and for example, like the projects that we have together. I think those are really good memories that I really deeply cherish now.
I remember one day on the weekend, I was with friends in the city. We watched a movie, and when we wanted to come back, the same I was near Jonglu, and my friend just decided out of nowhere to just take blue bikes and go back from Jonglu to the end of line 6. And it was a very long journey, but it was very fun, memorable. I guess it was like 20 kilometers on bikes, so it was fun.
So one of the most memorable moments in my journey here in NPU was actually when I received the Star of Academic Excellence Award. That was such an unforgettable moment because I just realized that the school actually appreciates our efforts and tend to encourage us to, develop our academic skills even further.
What NPU taught me is every moment matters.
NPU taught me how to be patient.
NPU gave me perseverance.
NPU gave me a platform.
From NPU, I found friends.
NPU gave me the courage to go on, even in my hardest moment.
I would like to say thank you everyone, thank you NPU, all the teachers and friends for the sweet memories in NPU. It's kind of bittersweet that we have to say goodbye now, but I'm sure that this goodbye is not the end, and we all will in the future strive forward to our dreams.
We came as strangers, but we live as family.
Maybe this chapter ends, but the memories keep writing themselves.
I'm definitely gonna miss NPU because I spent here 4 years. So I just want to say thank you to everyone and wish to everyone the best of luck in our future journey.
I would have loved to say goodbye, but for me, it's the start of another journey of exploring the endless opportunities NPU has to provide for me.
Now that we came to an end, I just would like to thank all my family members for supporting me throughout the whole journey. I would like to thank my friends, my professors who guided me throughout all the way, and thank you NPU, thank you China.